Hey Jeep lovers, welcome back to Adventure Jeep, your ultimate destination for off-road gear reviews, Jeep upgrades, and real-world adventures. Today we're talking about something every Gladiator owner needs, the best bedliners for Jeep Gladiator 2020-2025. Whether you're hauling tools, camping gear, or just want to protect that truck bed from scratches and weather damage, we've tested and reviewed the top 5 best bedliners available right now on Amazon. So buckle up and let's dive into which one truly gives your Gladiator the protection it deserves. Number 5. Weathertech ImpactLiner. The Weathertech ImpactLiner, model 36017IM, is one of the most premium bedliner solutions available for the Jeep Gladiator, designed to provide unmatched strength, style, and durability. Crafted in the USA, this liner features WeatherTech's patented impact-absorbing technology, making it a top choice for serious off-roaders and heavy haulers. Unlike typical rubber mats, the ImpactLiner uses a multi-layered thermoplastic construction that resists dents, scratches, and harsh chemicals. Its non-skid surface keeps gear in place even during aggressive off-road maneuvers, while the raised lip design prevents dirt, debris, and liquids from seeping beneath. Many Jeep owners appreciate its factory-level fit and sleek black finish, which enhances both protection and appearance. Though it's priced on the higher end, the quality and longevity justify every penny. A true buy once, use forever option for the dedicated Jeep enthusiast. Number 4. KARPAL Truck Bed Mat Fit. The KARPAL Truck Bed Mat delivers an ideal mix of durability, style, and protection for Jeep Gladiator owners seeking a heavy-duty all-weather liner. Made from high-density TPE material, it offers outstanding resistance to wear, water, and chemical spills, ensuring your truck bed remains spotless through every adventure. This mat is precisely molded for the Gladiator's 5-teat bed, covering every contour with an exact fit that prevents shifting or curling. The textured anti-slip surface ensures your cargo stays stable, while the raised edges keep dirt and moisture contained. Users love its tough yet flexible design, which allows for easy installation and removal when cleaning or maintenance is needed. Perfect for those who frequently haul equipment or off-road gear, this bedliner gives a premium look while maintaining practicality and rugged performance. Number 3. AOMSAZTO Truck Bed Mat. The AOMSAZTO Truck Bed Mat stands out for its precision engineering and premium all-weather performance. Built with non-slip TPE material, it's designed specifically for 2020 to 2025 Jeep Gladiator JT 5FT beds, offering full coverage and edge-to-edge protection against mud, sand, and cargo scratches. What makes this liner unique is its anti-skid grid pattern that prevents cargo from shifting during off-road drives, making it ideal for adventurers who frequently carry gear or tools. The mat's thick yet flexible structure absorbs impact effectively, protecting your bed from dents and paint damage. Users also note that it fits like a glove and doesn't curl or warp under sunlight. Cleaning is effortless. Just remove, rinse, and reinstall. For Jeep owners who prioritize rugged performance and low maintenance, this is a near-perfect choice. Number 2. Bed mat compatible with Jeep Gladiator. The bed mat compatible with 2020-2025 Jeep Gladiator JT 5FT is a tough, practical, and value-friendly solution for drivers who need reliable bed protection without sacrificing flexibility. Crafted from high-grade rubber composite, this mat provides impact resistance and a non-slip texture, ensuring that your cargo stays securely in place, even when the road gets rough. Owners appreciate its custom-fit design, which perfectly contours to the Gladiator's factory bed floor and walls, preventing dirt, sand, or water from seeping underneath. Its thick cushioning also helps absorb shock, reducing noise and protecting against dents from heavy tools or equipment. Installation is as simple as rolling it out, no tools or adhesives required. This liner is a great option for everyday truck users who prioritize affordability, practicality, and solid protection in one package. Number 1. powoq Truck Bed Mat. The powoq Truck Bed Mat offers a perfect blend of durability and flexibility, making it an excellent choice for Jeep Gladiator owners who need dependable, all-weather protection. Designed specifically for the 2020-2025 Gladiator JT5 bed, this TPE liner fits snugly into the truck bed without slipping or curling at the edges. Its anti-skid surface keeps cargo stable even on bumpy trails, while the thick TPE build resists cracking, fading, or deformation under extreme heat or cold. Users love how easy it is to install. Just unroll and set it in place, and how effortlessly it cleans up with a quick hose down. This mat is ideal for daily haulers, adventure travelers, or anyone wanting reliable protection without the hassle of sprays or coatings. And there you have it, our top 5 best bed liners for Jeep Gladiator. From the rugged WeatherTech ImpactLiner to the value-packed powoq mat, each one offers unique protection for different lifestyles. Which liner do you think suits your Jeep the best? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to Adventure Jeep, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest Jeep reviews, mods, and off-road adventures. Until next time, stay safe, stay wild, and keep exploring with Adventure Jeep.